Spider-Man. Ay, sandali. Off. Stop. Meron ka na palang song list
Hindi nyo
yan.
kadinig yan eh, kaya naman search na ako.
Ano sinasabi may song list ka na pala. Okay na. Kasi dadalhin ko sana dito yung tablet. May song hits na siya.
Okay.
Luma no? Song hits.
So, miss ng high school tayo.
Madami yung panahon natin song hits yung...
Oo, hindi din yung
Alam mo ba yun? Song hits.
Ito ang mga millennial, pinipindot na lang eh. Mami, moonlight ka kayo 2,000. Wow! Moonlight Cafe. Boss Ray. The best. Located here at Tivoli. Everybody on!
Just once, can we figure out what we get doing wrong? Oh, why we never last for very long?
Saan mo? Ina mo.
Just once, can we find a way to make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. Just once.
Saka yun yung video. Oh, libre din yun yung video.
Moonlight Cafe. Pakita mo yung Moonlight Cafe. Yung Moonlight Cafe. Dito lang yan sa Moonlight Cafe.
Yan po ang Moonlight Cafe.
Kumakanta yan! Kumakanta yan si Hilton! Oo, kumakanta yan! Yan ang next! Why it always comes right to the light? Why can't we get ourselves ahead? Enemies to one another.
Galing yan! Thank you, Boss Ray, Boss Dave. Moonlight Cafe, here at Sierra Raimundo, Tivoli.
Can we find a way to make it right? Oh, make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once.
Of course, si Bossing may request eh.
Yeah, sumayaw sumunod daw sa sex bomb.